Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Printify with your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find your dashboard, where you can find all the websites you have. First, before that, you have to log into your account if you're not. So under your dashboard, you want to go ahead and find the website that you want to go ahead and connect your Printify to. So what I'm going to do is find my site right here and click on the website button. That's going to open up my website right now. So after opening it up, it's going to be greeted by this main page right here. At the left side screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as website, products, and so on. So basically guys, here on the official help Printify website, we can go and take a look at how to connect the Squarespace store to our Printify. So basically, after you have created a website as I have just showed you and connected to your login account, now we can go ahead and get started connecting. So basically in Printify, you want to open up the store drop down menu, as you can see right here, and after that click manage my store. So you want to click on connect in that menu. As you can see here, you'll be able to find the connect option, and then you want to choose the Squarespace section. So after choosing Squarespace, log in with your login that you have just used on Squarespace. Use the same account, and after logging in, you can see you'll be suggested to connect to Printify. So you want to click allow. After doing so, it's going to be successfully connected, and now you can get started using Printify and your website together. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.